Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be putting on these Kiss Fantasy nails that I got from the Dollar Tree. Yes, girl, the Dollar Tree. I was shocked, so I just had to pick them up. So I'm gonna just try them out. I also picked up a clear coat and some nail polish to match, cause I don't get my nails and toes done like that. That stuff is too expensive. So we just gonna try this at home and see how it goes. I think this gel coat that I found in the Dollar Tree really match. It is the color Caramel Crush. It kind of goes with it. Once I polish my toes and seeing it, it is slightly off, but if you ain't looking that hard, you really can't tell. Okay, so basically I'm just prepping my nails. I'm gonna get that excess polish off. I'm gonna clip them. I'm gonna push down my cuticles a little bit, and then I'm going to start to apply the nails. Okay, so now that my nails are prepped, I'm going to take the press on nails out the box and size them up to each of my fingers. They give you 24 nails, so they do have like some good sizes. So if your nail bed is wide or if your nail bed is small, you do have a variety to choose from. All right, so all my nails have been sized up. Now I'm gonna take my nail glue and we are finna pop on these bad boys, okay? So as y'all can see on this finger, I did get some like air under there. So I had like a little air pocket. I guess I ain't have enough glue, but you know, it's okay. Trial and error. We know next time, right? All right, y'all. So y'all see I finished one hand and it is giving nail salon. Okay, just a little bit. Just a little bit. So I done both of my hands and now I'm finna file this little, they be having these little points at the top, I guess from when they pop it off at the factory, whatever. But I don't know. We gonna file it and kind of shape it to our nail, to our hand a little better, you know, to make it look a little natural, a little more salon like. You feel me? All right, guys. So this is the final look, and to be honest, personally, I like them. I think they cute. Like instead of waiting an hour and 30 minutes in the nail salon, doing this in 30 minutes or less at home, I like the result. But you guys, let me know what you think below. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Stay pretty.